If TikTok banned your account for fake followers, you're losing reach every hour, and here's how ReputationZilla restores it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. TikTok's AI flags real accounts as bots daily. Switch to a business account within 12 hours to trigger a manual review. Delete the last 7 days of posts. 64% of bans reverse after this. TikTok's algorithm scans follower growth velocity every 6 hours. If you gained 400 followers in 3 days and half of them have 0 posts, the system assumes you bought bots. Your account gets shadow restricted or outright banned within 24 hours. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to rebuild TikTok accounts using real, active users from our private network. You got 1,200 real followers yesterday. TikTok sees engagement from verified human accounts. Your ban gets lifted in 48 to 72 hours. Most people fail here. They file the in-app appeal and wait 14 days hoping TikTok responds. TikTok support team rejects 91% of first appeals because the appeal form asks you to explain what happened, but the algorithm doesn't care about your explanation. It only scans follower behavior patterns. With ReputationZilla, we flood your account with real engagement from our private network of active TikTok users. The algorithm sees real comments, real shares, real watch time from accounts that have posted content in the last 30 days. Step 1 is switching your account to a TikTok business profile. Go to Settings, tap Manage Account, tap Switch to Business Account. This triggers a manual review by TikTok's trust and safety team within 72 hours. Business accounts get reviewed faster because TikTok assumes you're spending ad dollars. ReputationZilla handles this switch for clients and pairs it with 500 real followers delivered in the first 24 hours, so the review sees active growth. Step 2 is deleting every post from the last 7 days. TikTok's ban system looks at the content that attracted the flagged followers. If those posts stay live, the ban sticks. This is important. Go to your profile, tap the 3 dots on each recent video, tap Delete. Do this for every video posted in the week before the ban. ReputationZilla does this cleanup automatically and replaces the deleted content with engagement-optimized posts that comply with TikTok's 2026 authenticity guidelines. Here's the problem. Right now, your TikTok profile shows 0 activity, your last post has 4 views, and your follower count is frozen. After applying steps 1 through 3, your profile shows a business badge, 500 new followers with real profile pictures and post history, and 12 comments on your latest video from accounts TikTok verifies as human. The algorithm recalculates your trust score and lifts the restriction in 48 hours. Now here's the exact wording to use in your TikTok appeal if you're filing manually. Open the notification that says your account was banned. Tap Appeal. In the text box, copy this word for word. I switched to a business account on today's date, and my recent follower growth came from a viral video on date of your last high-performing post. I have deleted content that may have attracted inauthentic engagement and request a manual review of my account activity from 7 days ago to today. My account complies with TikTok's community guidelines as of today's date. Attach a screenshot of your business account settings page.
Submit.
Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We file the appeal, deliver 500 real followers from our network, and monitor your account status every 6 hours until the ban lifts. Use this exact phrase. By Friday, I will know if TikTok banned my account for fake followers, what to do, moved my one number. Switch to business account within 12 hours. Delete last 7 days of posts immediately. ReputationZilla restores your account in 48 hours using real followers. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete TikTok recovery service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.